So that age-old question, should I rent or should I sell? I say to most owner-occupiers, if you're going to sell, put the property on the market and get it sold. If you're thinking of renting the property, that's a totally different proposition. Maybe if you've had your house on the market for a little while and it hasn't had much buyer interest and you actually need some sort of income out of that property, then definitely I'd say have a chat to us. We'll put a tenant in there for a short period of time, maybe 3 to 6 months. That'll get you over the next part of the market, and then in 3 to 6 months' time we can put the property back on the market once the tenant moves out. But always keep in mind that when a tenant goes into a property, they're not going to look after it as good as you would as an owner. So the property will need maybe a little bit of maintenance. So sometimes the pros and cons, having a tenant in there paying you rent's good for the income, but sometimes, there is a bit of wear and tear that a tenant will put into that property, and you might need to, do a few things like the gardens or the lawns or that sort of stuff when the tenant leaves the property.